Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Hello friends, welcome back to Foziki Alfaz. In this video, we will discuss 4th May most important one-liner current affair. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Trinomal Congress Chief Mamata Banerjee is slated to take oath as West Bengal's Chief Minister on Wednesday, May 5th. Banerjee will take oath as the Chief Minister of West Bengal for the third time, having done so before in 2011 and 2016. TMC has emerged victorious in the West Bengal Legislative Assembly election 2021, clearing the way for Mamata Banerjee to enjoy a third term in office. West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee, Governor Jagdeep Dhankar. World Press Freedom Day is for support of media professionals on the issue of press freedom and personal ethics. It is a day of remembrance of those journalists who lost their lives in the pursuit of a story. The UN General Assembly proclaimed World Press Day in December 1993. Since then, May 3, the anniversary of the declaration of Windhoek, has been celebrated worldwide as World Press Freedom Day. Amid the shortage of medical oxygen across the country due to a massive surge in COVID-19 cases, Delhi has got to its first COVID care center with its own oxygen plant at the Commonwealth Games Village Sports Complex. The oxygen plant can supply oxygen to 18 to 20 patients simultaneously. NASA's first Mars helicopter has a name now, and the credit goes to a 17-year-old Indian origin girl, Vanija Rupani. Rupani, a high school junior from Northport, Alabama, earned the honor of naming the helicopter after they submitted her essay into NASA's Name the Rover contest. NASA headquarters Washington DC. Formation July 29, 1958. Preceding agency National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics. The UK has become the first country to announce regulation of the use of self-driving vehicles at slow speed at motorways. Gujarat government extended the deadline for repayment of short-term crop loans to June 30 in view of the ongoing second wave of COVID-19 pandemic in the state. The state government also announced to pay the central government interest component on behalf of farmers for the delayed replacement. Gujarat CM Vijay Ramnikalal Rupani, Governor Acharya Devvrat. The Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman virtually inaugurated the first 3D printed house in India at Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. The Serum Institute of India, which manufactures the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine, is planning to start vaccine production in other countries as it struggles to meet supply commitment. Serum Institute would be able to raise its monthly output to 100 million doses by July 2021. Later than a previous timeline on and May 2021. Former Rashtriya Janata Dal MP Mohammad Shahabuddin passed away in May 2021 due to COVID-19. He was diagnosed with COVID on 20th April 2021. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar, Governor Phagu Chauhan. The Appointment Committee of the Cabinet has approved the appointment of TV Somnathan as the new Finance Secretary. Ministry of Finance, founded 29th October 1946. Headquarters New Delhi. Cabinet Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The country's largest lender, State Bank of India, offers exclusive interest rate of home loans starting from 6.70% onward. SBI home loan interest rates are now very attractive, starting from 6.70% for loan up to rupees 30 lakh and 6.95% for loan above rupees 30 lakh and up to 75 lakh. The big ticket loans above rupees 75 lakh would get home loans at 7.05%. State Bank of India, founded 1st July 1955, headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. Chairman Dinesh Kumar Khare. Madhya Pradesh government has transferred rupees 61 crore in the account of more than 6,10,000 street vendors of the state through direct benefit transfer. Madhya Pradesh CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Governor Anandiben Patel. The Ministry of Civil Aviation and the Directorate General of Civil Aviation has given condition exemptions to the Telangana government to deliver COVID vaccine using drones. Ministry of Civil Aviation, headquarters New Delhi. Minister of Civil Aviation Hardeep Singh Puri. Kamala Harris is set to become the first woman US Vice President to have a figure displayed at the Madame Tussauds Wax Museum in New York City. The state is being designed by the Bucks and Madame Tussauds team of sculpture artists in London with the help of clay at the referred to the 100 of photographs of the leaders. NTPC has appointed Ramesh Babu V as director. Babu graduated as a mechanical engineering from NIT Srinagar and complete his masters in engineering. He joined NTPC executive trainer in 1987 as more than 32-year experience. National Thermal Power Corporation Limited, founded 7th November 1975, headquarters New Delhi. Chairman and MD Gurdeep Singh. So this is all about today's video. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care and Jai Hind. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update.